up in here, man. So, hey, look. This right here is the first time that I've been over here, man, at the Dolph Memorial, the Young Dolph Memorial, man, since all the stuff been going on. Man, like, his memorial literally has police guards there, man. Like, it's crazy, bro. Like, they got the police, the sky cop, and they got an actual cop here. That's crazy. You need a police guard at a memorial, bro. You gotta do better, Memphis. You gotta do better. Yeah, I know. Man, the time has come.
It's warm.
The time has come. And we are on the way out of Memphis.
We ain't going nowhere yet.
Speaking into existence. My mind's already there. Man, later on today, man, we're gonna be driving to Dallas, Texas, man. And they say, you know what they say. Whoever you bring the new year in with, that's who you gonna be with. So,
What they say?
hopefully she don't change her mind and leave me while I'm out there.
Me? I ain't gonna leave, baby. I'm dragging your ass back home.
How you gonna drag it back home and then leave?
Nah.
Yeah, you gotta come home and get this baby nigga. Playing with you. But anyway, yeah, man. So we head to Walmart right now. So I'm gonna pick the cam dog up. And I got a video that needs to be uploaded today. I wanted to clear out my memory card. I don't think that's gonna happen. So I just might go in Walmart right quick, man, and buy me another memory card because I don't think this one's gonna hold up. So yeah, I'll hit y'all in a minute, man. Let y'all know what went down. Got the cam dog over here, man. Yep. Put them old. That should be good. Got them good years on the frizz-on. Yes, sir. Are we ready to roll now? Left the damn door unlocked.
I left my lock.
Still, that don't mean they leave them unlocked. Hell, shut down the parking lot. Might got something in there we don't want nobody to see. All them toys you got in there. I hear the copyright already, man. So let me go ahead and get on up in here, man. Oh Lord, yeah. Bye bye. Yo, yeah, man, we are officially about to get on the road, headed to Dallas.
You look like you're a little tired, man.
To Dallas, and now for real, man, finna get on this road, finna I ain't burn some of this highway up. Leaving it's like 11:06 p.m. About to shoot out here. Probably well, I plan on hooking up one of my partners out here, man, trying to get a little footage, see what's going on. And yeah, man, we about to
We about to turn up, y'all. Y'all ready?
Was that your arm or your butt?
My arm.
Definitely your butt.
It's your butt.
It wasn't my butt. But anyway, yeah, man, we're finna go out here. Man, I'm talking about have a ball, let loose, everything.
Good old time. Good old
Everything
time.
finna hang out. Everything, we finna let everything hang out, man. It's finna be loose. It's finna be loose.
Loose as a goose, like Boosie said.
So, yeah, we gonna pick the camera up, man. Periodically, just, you know what I'm saying, check in, see what's going on or whatever. But, so y'all can see what's going on, but other than that, man, well, I ain't gonna tell y'all to wish us safe travels and none of that, because by the time y'all see this video, we'll be back at home, so,
Dang.
what?
Is that on my finger?
So, yeah, man, we out of here. And,
See you later.
see you in a minute.
Turn left, then turn right.
Hey, we up in here. Y'all probably don't remember this from the last time. I had to bust a Yui. So I can get y'all that right there. Big old state of Texas. And we have arrived in Texas. I got a couple more hours before I get to where I'm going. But we took pictures right over there. And we wasn't even married yet. Married now. I ain't took now picture, cause guess what? You sleep. Married life make you sleepy. So that's what we was doing. We kind of really went to sleep. Now, it's not that hard. Now we about to man, get back on this road, do what we need to do, man. Eat up the highway, get to our destination, man. See if we can't meet up with my guy. Get a little footage. She's still asleep.
Use the left lane to keep left to merge onto I-30
Let's do
West.
it. Man, look how them sun rays coming down out the cloud. It's shining down on somebody. Somebody's angel looking out for him. Yo, man, we up in here. I don't even know what part of Texas I'm in right now. I have no idea. There ain't no sign that you can say what part of Texas I'm in. I know I'm on 380 though. I'm on 380. It's crazy, man. The camera, hey man, cam dog for the win, man. We I don't even say. I don't even know what part of Texas I'm in. But man, we just now filling up, man. Just now. And the gas is $2.94, man. I think it was. I think I got some $2.95 at the house. I think I got some $2.95 at the house.
Damn, this one.
I don't even see what part of Texas am I in. I don't even know. I don't know. It don't say. But we in Texas. So I'm gonna go meet up with my dog. Go meet up with my dog. Yeah, I need a receipt, sir. Cashier has the receipt. Put some damn paper in your machine, man. Damn. Right, let me go get the receipt, man. I'll hit y'all in a minute. But I'm still saving your life, though. I want you to come look at this.
What?
I still ain't gonna tell y'all who. I want to get y'all tell who this is by the voice.
Hell no. Y'all need to
They
tell
probably
that.
can. They probably can. But I'm still saving your life, though. The ones they got too many cars. That's what money do. Man, and congratulations. Hey, I meant to tell you that shit when I called the other day, man. Congratulations on them 92, boy. That shit, they're big. You got 92,000, don't you? You got 92K. Plus.
I got 93.
You got 93 now?
Yeah.
See?
Yeah. God dang. Why do I be doing this, bro?
Anyway, man, if y'all didn't already know, man, by the sound of my voice, man, Mr. Man, hey, man, say, man, you know what I'm saying, man, and Mr. Andy, man.
Man, that nigga know who it was. Y'all knew who it was.
I ain't never say nothing.
For real?
I ain't never say who it was. Man, we up here with the box.
Yes, sir. Know what I'm saying? We skirt.
Yeah,
Know what I'm saying? All that.
Boy, got them collies on there.
Yes, sir.
Them
I just got
collies.
this junk up.
Definitely.
78 Chevyboi told me to put them springs on.
Yeah, you gotta put
them
the
jumps
bumps
ain't do nothing.
For real?
It's even worse.
Wow.
You know, I had the blocks in there, so I was getting a little bit better ride. But I took the blocks out. He said I won't need the blocks with them. But the whole time, I'm thinking the 454 ones was the ones I should have kept for the car. Because I ended up taking them back and went with the 350 with AC and all that. You know, it got a smoother ride.
You need them.
I should have went with the 454 spring.
You need them motherfucking donk jumps.
These is the donk ones.
Yeah, the
That's in here.
definitely the
These
454.
71 donk springs, like you told me to get, but I got them for a 350.
Yeah, you need it for a 454.
I should have got them for a 450. Well, I had them for a 454
And you
took
put 'em back.
and paid more for these.
Cause them right there more common. They made more cars with 350s.
Them junk was almost 200. The other one was $83. I'm like, dang, I should have just kept us.
Should just kept them.
But they told me they weren't gonna work. But I knew they would have worked. It was just gonna take a little more struggle to get them in.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But yeah.
Man, these folks do not know. These folks do not know what's not gonna work because they just go by the fucking computer. They just go by the computer.
Yeah.
They don't fucking get out here and actually do that shit.
My homeboy tried to size it up by just putting the spring up towards it.
Yeah,
I
that's
said,
what it
bro, it ain't compressed. I know I just brushed my teeth and shit.
Yeah.
It's okay. You know what I'm saying? We raw over here. I don't edit nothing. I don't edit nothing. But yeah, nigga, that shit lowered this bitch to where, nigga, you feel that? Number tire.
Number tire.
And I ain't finna mess these bitches up. These bitches new, nigga. They still got the stickers on them.
Yeah, I know what I'm saying.
So I'm gonna lift this motherfucker up tomorrow though. I was gonna do it today, but since you here, you know what I'm saying? I got my partner, he said he gonna pull up the audio zone.
You got a long one
not
on.
audio zone, but down in Samuel. Yeah, I just gotta do the dash in that mug.
Damn!
Good.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's trying clean.
Oh yeah.
Trying clean. Headliner, nigga, look at that bitch, nigga. No wrinkle, no fold, no nothing, nigga. Hey, don't play.
I see what's going on.
Only thing bad on this bitch is this top.
Yeah.
I got a sandblast. I ain't sandblasting, but I gotta sand the hell out of it down.
Hey, them guts A1 for real.
Yeah, them guts I want. I ain't touching the inside.
Nah, I wouldn't do shit.
I'm gonna put a milk console thing in there.
Y'all see that?
And the rear deck.
Hold on. Y'all see that, right? Look. Y'all see how that fucking door closed?
Yeah.
That's how your old school door supposed to close, dog.
Like butter. Know what I'm saying? That's that B-Lo Chevy shit.
Shit, my door don't even close like that. My door don't even close like that, Jack.
That nigga retarded, man.
But see, I put my door, I gotta get all my doors lined back up. Like I ain't get them lined up, and I put them new weather stripping in there. So them weather stripping kicking them motherfucker right back out.
Yeah, if weather stripping to do it. I gotta put new weather stripping on here, so I already know what time it is when you do that. Cause really, they make them so hard now, they not soft.
Right.
They're hard as shit. You gonna have to slam.
What got that lip on that thing, man? Those some Shaniquas on this motherfucker, Jack.
Man, that's small lip, man. That's just 6 inch.
Bullshit, I got a 6 inch.
That's a 6 inch.
That motherfucker bigger than
My
mine.
cousin's wheels got a 7 inch.
That motherfucker look bigger than mine. Don't worry about it. Nah, I think mine 5.5.